Do you want to have a high-paying career in marketing in MNCs? Are you ready to dive into the future of digital marketing? Ready to unlock new career opportunities in a field with endless growth potential? Then watch this video till the end to explore one of the high-paying hidden jobs in IT sector. What is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a powerful digital marketing platform enabling businesses to create personalized customer journeys, automate campaigns, and analyze engagement, driving measurable growth. Why to learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud opens doors to numerous job vacancies in India, with in-demand roles like marketing automation specialist, campaign manager, and CRM analyst. As businesses increasingly rely on digital marketing, expertise in Salesforce Marketing Cloud is highly sought after, offering competitive salaries often starting from 3.5 rupees to 6.5 lakhs for entry-level roles and going up to 10 to 15 rupees lakhs or more for experienced professionals. Learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud unlocks numerous career opportunities in India and abroad, with over 58,000 plus job listings on Naukri and around 1,600 plus on LinkedIn. Who can learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Non-tech individuals looking for lucrative job opportunities without a technology background. Digital marketing professionals who are seeking to enhance their skills in automation and analytics. Students who are interested in an IT career without coding requirements. Ideal for job aspirants and housewives who are on a career break and looking to acquire in-demand skills to land high-paying jobs in the tech industry. Explore the 10 benefits of learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud professionals are in high demand. As businesses grow their digital marketing efforts, skilled professionals are highly sought after. Marketing automation is the future. Mastering Salesforce Marketing Cloud places you at the forefront of this booming field. Gain expertise in understanding customer data, enabling you to craft targeted campaigns that deliver exceptional results. Learn how to build personalized customer experiences using data segmentation, journey builder, and content automation, setting you apart in the digital landscape. From email to mobile and social media, Salesforce Marketing Cloud helps you create integrated campaigns across multiple channels. Get hands-on experience with real-time analytics. Track performance, measure success, and refine strategies for better results on the go. Salesforce certified professionals earn competitive salaries, with ample job opportunities in top-tier companies and consulting firms. Learn how to map and automate customer journeys, creating seamless experiences that improve customer satisfaction and retention. Salesforce Marketing Cloud skills are valuable across industries, from retail and finance to healthcare and beyond, giving you career flexibility. As digital marketing grows, so does the need for Salesforce expertise. With these skills, your career remains relevant and adaptable. Why to Salesforce Marketing Cloud at Kandhara Digital? Expert instructors learn from industry professionals with hands-on experience. Comprehensive curriculum, gain practical skills in marketing automation and analytics. Career support, access job placement assistance and networking opportunities. Certification preparation, get ready for Salesforce certifications to boost your employability. Real-world projects, work on live projects to enhance your portfolio and practical knowledge. Org Access, get hands-on experience with Org Access for practical application of concepts. Interactive training, engage in real-time projects with live interactive sessions for enhanced learning. Cutting-edge tools, utilize the latest tools in the industry to stay ahead in marketing technology. Portfolio creation, work on real projects that not only enhance your learning but also help you create a standout portfolio, showcasing your skills to potential employers. Mock interviews. Our program includes mock interviews conducted by industry experts, helping you prepare effectively and boost your confidence before facing real interviews. Resume building support. Receive personalized guidance on resume writing, ensuring your resume highlights your skills and experiences effectively. Elevate your skills with Kandara Digital. Get certified in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Gain exclusive career support and secure your path to a high-paying dream job. Enroll now. Start your Salesforce Marketing Cloud journey today. For more details, visit kandaradigital.com. Contact 8296494941.